Good morning all. I am Dr. Kunda Shahane, consultant fetal medicine working at Mayflower Fetal Medicine Center, Dantoli, Nagpur. Today is 21st March. This day is observed as a World Down Syndrome Day. Down syndrome is a genetic abnormality that causes mental retardation. If we consider the genetics, we totally have the 46 chromosomes in a 23 pairs. Each pair is numbered from 1 to 23. The Down syndrome problem happens at chromosome number 21, where 3 chromosomes are present. Normally 2 chromosomes or euploid status is normal, but when the chromosomal aberrations are there, 1 chromosome or 3 chromosome behalf of 2 chromosomes, then it's abnormal genetic makeup. So trisomy 21 means 3 chromosomes are present on chromosome number 21 is the trisomy 21 or Mongol baby or Down syndrome. This causes severe mental retardation in that baby, and that the biological age grows but mental age is very low. So we took the opportunity on this day to make the awareness regarding Down syndrome and its evaluation in the pregnancy. In first trimester 11 to 14 weeks, there is a FTS scan, that is first trimester scan, which includes multiple soft markers. Important soft markers like nuchal translucency and nasal pore are important to see. Even the combined screening can be done with the help of double marker in each and every pregnancy in the first trimester to make the final risk. If the final risk is low, then continuation with the usual follow-ups is advised. If it is high risk, then chorion villus biopsy is to be done for the confirmation of genetic problem. And confirmation with the help of CVS gives us an informed choice to the couple whether to continue the pregnancy or not to continue the pregnancy. So this evaluation is very much important in the first trimester. Each and every pregnancy must undergo this evaluation, as this evaluation gives us a 95% detection rate in a combined screening way. So every pregnancy NT scan, FTS scan and this double marker is to be done, and if the risk is there, we can confirm it with the help of chorion villus biopsy, that is a genetic test of that baby. If the genetics of that baby are normal, then we can continue definitely to this pregnancy. This is all to assure your pregnancy. So dear parents or expectant parents, if you are planning your pregnancy, just understand the genetic abnormality, that is a Down syndrome, can be there in your pregnancy. So evaluation to rule out whether the pregnancy is at risk for Down syndrome or not is important. So first trimester scan is advisable to each and every pregnancy with combined screening double marker to make your pregnancy assurance. So Downs can be diagnosed antenatally, and it's totally the informed choice of the couple to take the decision whether they want to continue Downs baby or whether they want to terminate the Downs baby. But evaluation and diagnosis is very important. Thank you so much. Thank you all.